When I was elected president of the campus organization, I was honestly very happy. I thought it was cool to be a leader, to be able to make difference, and to be respected by many people. But in reality, it wasn't that easy. In the beginning, I tended to run everything by myself. I was afraid that if the tasks were shared with the members, the result wouldn't be as expected. So, I decided many things by myself without much discussion.
As member, my friend and I actually want to be more involved, but we were often confused about what to do. The texts we were giving were sometimes unclear, and if I had an idea, I was reluctant to speak up. Meeting becomes stiff, and the atmosphere of the organization started to get uncomfortable. I often see her stressing herself out, but I don't know what to do.
I'm new to this organization. I was really excited at first, but over time I feel like I was just a spectator. Then in class I wanted to ask about the assignment from the lecturer, but I was afraid I wouldn't understand. Finally, I just kept quiet, and I turned it out that I wasn't the only one who felt that way.
Until finally, Talita came to me. She said,
Sha, we really want to help, but sometimes we don't know what to do, and we're afraid of making mistakes.
I realized that I had been too focused on being a leader, that I had forgotten to be a friend. I started learning to delegate tasks. Even though it was really hard at first, I also started to open a discussion room so that all members could talk.
Change began to take place, marketing became more lively, my friends and I began to express our opinions. If there was a problem, we discussed it together, not just waiting for a decision from the chairman. Work program that we were previously stalled slowly began to run again.
I realized that communication is key. I started to ask my lecturers if something was unclear and invited my friends to be more open. I also learned to accept criticism so that the organization can continue to grow.
Now, the atmosphere of the organization is much better. We trust each other, no one feels reluctant to speak up, and most importantly, we learn that being a leader is not about position, but about the ability to listen and build trust.
I also become braver. I realized too that everyone in this organization has important role. Communication and cooperation are the keys to success.
So, for those of you who are or will be leaders, don't be afraid to learn and change. Leadership is not a talent, but a skill that can be honed.
And remember, good communication is the foundation of a solid team.
Because the success of an organization is not just about one person, but about cooperation and understanding each other.